This tutorial is how to fill out the academic growth plan in your Panther portfolio. This is focusing on setting an academic goal and then breaking that goal down into some steps. With one of the key differences between this and maybe setting a SMART goal being, we're going to focus on how others can help you achieve this goal. Part of the purpose of student-led conferences is being able to communicate your goals and your current progress to your parents or guardians or others invested in your learning experience. So make sure it's a goal that is something you can actually achieve and isn't too vague. Like, here's a vague goal that you might not want to put. My goal this year is to do well in school. Well, what does that mean? What does that look like? What are some of the characteristics of someone doing well in school? So you might want to set something a little bit more specific. Maybe achieve a minimum grade of 2.5 in every class. After all, this is one of the requirements to become student of the month, is that you have to have a 2.5 or higher in all of your classes so that you can be maintaining a positive GPA or grade point average. So you might say that that's my goal. This is something that you can track pretty easily. You can get on Gradebook and see what's the grade that I have in every class. What do I need to turn in? What other assessments do I need to make up? Maybe your goal is that you want to get better at attendance. Normally, the students who have the best attendance tend to show the best proficiency because they've been there in class receiving the supports they need from teachers, they've been hearing the content, they've had more opportunities to practice. So if in the past you struggled to make a point to be at school every single day, you might set a goal to be at school on time every day. Maybe your academic goal involves other things. It could be you want to read a certain number of books. It could be the timing in which you complete your assignments, but I'm going to go back to my 2.5 in every class. What are some of the things that I'm going to need to do to make sure I'm getting a 2.5? I will complete assignments on time in class. Another thing I might need to do is I will check Gradebook every week to see where I am at. I will stay after school if needed to take or retake assessments. So here's 3 of the things that I can do to make sure that I'm getting a 2.5. I'm doing my assignments, I'm making sure assessments get taken, and I'm checking Gradebook frequently. So now, what are some things that different support systems can do to help me get to my goal? What can my parents do? My parents can help me by asking me the current status of my grade. Or maybe my parents can help me by also checking my grades every week. How can your teachers help you? Your teachers already do a lot to make sure that you have assignments and assessments. What could be an additional step and help that you need? Maybe by posting days I can stay after to work. Or maybe they can help by responding to emails asking what I need to do. What might be some other help you need? It could be from your parents and teachers again. Maybe you need to ask a teacher for a different seat in the classroom. If you're having trouble focusing, maybe you need to get another support like a quiet fidget that you can be using to help you focus. Maybe you want to get a group of friends together and have a study group or something where you make sure that you support each other. Other help I might need could be using the after school program to get extra help on assignments. If you sign up for the after school program, then on days when you can stay after, and there are teachers who are available to help you with work. And this gives you access to Chromebooks after school and other resources. So that could be some support that you use. So in filling out your academic growth plan, set a specific goal, 3 steps of things that you're going to do to achieve that goal, and then different ways people can support you. You could also change it if you need. From my teachers to my friends can support me. Because maybe your goal is to practice better social and emotional skills. Maybe you need to practice coping mechanisms. Then you might want more support from friends or maybe a guidance counselor and look at how they can support you instead. So this is how you fill out your academic growth plan for a specific goal this year.